This local beach has lots of lovely roundy stones just lying around for the taking. But what to do with them?
What did you find, Tim? Did you find anything useful?
Stones.
Stones, eh?
I have a plan. The mortar part of a pestle and mortar is usually deep and difficult to carve by hand, but it seems to me they don't have to be that deep at all. I'm swapping my normal cutting disc for a cheap diamond stone cutting one. And it's surprisingly easy to carve out a simple hollow. This took about 5 minutes, and it's the first time I've tried it. When the pestle stone fitted loosely in it, I stopped cutting and started smoothing. The trick is to keep the grinder moving in smooth strokes. Again, it only took a few minutes. I rinsed off the dust. Oh yes, and I hollowed out a bit of the bottom so it would sit more stably on the table. And suddenly I had a piece of art. Too easy. And it ground up coriander seeds perfectly. Do you need anything ground up, Sandra?
I'd love a sprinkling of crushed linseed on my porridge, please.
Okay then.
Okay then. Is it all nice and crushed?
All crushed now. Yeah.
All crushed. Oh, excellent. I'll get the porridge. Delicious. Perfect. Perfect, perfect. Thank you very much, Tim.